Good morning, students. Today, I, Neelam Verma, welcomes you to the math world. Today, we are going to study multiplication. Multiplication means repeated addition. It is a quicker process. Let's have an example. Doraemon eats 2 Dora cakes daily. How many Dora cakes does he eat in a week? Students, here we have to find out total number of Dora cakes eaten by Doraemon in a week. Students, how can we calculate it? We all know that one week has 7 days. So either we can calculate by adding number of Dora cakes eaten per day, like 2 of Monday plus 2 of Tuesday plus 2 of Wednesday plus 2 of Thursday plus 2 of Friday plus 2 of Saturday plus 2 of Sunday. This way we get 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 cakes. If we add all these 2 for 7 days, we got 14 cakes. Another process. These 2, it is the number of cakes eaten by Doraemon per day. And this 7 is the total number of days in a week. If we multiply these two, 2 sevens are 14. Again we get 14. Students, have you noticed that in both the processes our result is same, 14 cakes each. But this process is a bit lengthy and this is shorter method. Let's learn this process which is called multiplication. Let's have an example. 345 multiplied by 57. The number which we have to multiply is called multiplicand and the number by which we are going to multiply is called multiplier. Students, let's multiply. 7 5s are 35, 5, 3 carry. 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3, 31, 1. Again 3 carry. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 3, 24. Now as we have done with this 7 which is at ones place, we will put one cross at this ones place. Now let's start with 5. 5 5s are 25, 5. 2 carry forward. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. So 2 here. Again 2 carry forward. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Now add these two numbers. 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 7, 9. 1 as it is. Students, this answer that we get after multiplying two numbers is called product. So here product is 19,655. Let's take another example where multiplicand is of 4 digits and multiplier is of 3 digits. 8,765 and 507. Now let's multiply. 7 5s are 35, 5, 3 carry. 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 3, 45. Again 5 here and 4 carry. 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 4, 53. So 3 here, 5 carry. 7 8s are 56, 56 plus 5, 61. Now we have done with this 7 which is at ones place. So we will put one cross here at ones place and we will start with 0. 0 5s are 0. 0 6s are 0. 0 7s are 0. 0 8s are 0. Students, always remember when we are multiplying any number by 0, we always get 0. It's a fact. Now as we have done with these two digits at ones place and at tens place, we will put 2 cross at these two places and we will start from 5. 5 5s are 25, 5, 2 carry. 5 6s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 2, 3 carry. 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 3, 38. So 8. Again 3 carry. 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 3, 43. 43. Now we will add these three numbers. 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 0 plus 5, 8. 1 plus 0 plus 2, 3. 6 plus 0 plus 8, 14. 1 carry forward. 3 plus 1, 4 and 4. Students, I hope this is clear. But always keep this thing in mind that whenever you are writing numbers, they should come in column. Because if they are not written in column, there are chances of mistakes. So be careful, students. Now, let's see the terms used in multiplication. First is multiplicand. Multiplicand is the number which we are going to multiply. It's written on the top, the number to be multiplied. Multiplier is the number by which we multiply multiplicand, the number by which we multiply. And when we multiply multiplicand and multiplier, the answer that we get after multiplication is called product. So the answer we get from multiplication is called product. Here you can see that 4673 is a multiplicand, 6 is multiplier, as we have to multiply this number by 6, and the answer that we got 28,038 is called product. Students, one fact that you have to remember is the multiplicand and the multiplier are the factors of the product. Means in this case 4673 and 6 are the factors of 28,038. Factors we will learn in higher classes, but still you should learn this, you remember this fact. Now properties of multiplication. First property. When we change the order of two numbers in multiplication, the product does not change. And this property is called commutative property of multiplication. Means we multiply 12 fours are 48 or 4 12s are 48. Means here 12 is the multiplicand and 4 is multiplier. Answer is 48. And in second case 4 becomes multiplicand and 12 becomes multiplier. The answer or product is 48 and both the numbers are same. It means even if we are changing the order of these two numbers, the result remain same. Second property, multiplicative property of 1. Students, this means that whenever we multiply any number by 1, the answer that we get remains number itself. Always we get number itself when we multiply any number by 1. Here 5674 multiplied by 1, the answer will remain 5674. 4006 ones are 4006. Now third property, multiplicative property of 0. I have already told you that when we multiply any number by 0, the answer that we get is 0. So 5674 into 0, 0. 4006 into 0, 0. Means if we are multiplying any number by 0, the answer that we get is always 0. Fourth property is the grouping property. While multiplying more than two numbers, they can be grouped in any manner. And the product does not change even if we change the group. Means, let's take this example. 56 into 4 into 5. Suppose we have to multiply these three numbers. And if we are multiplying 56 and 4, we get product, and then that product will be multiplied by 5, or first we multiply 4 into 5 and then this product gets multiplied by 56. The answer of both the conditions remain same. So we can say that if we are grouping numbers in some different way, some different manner, the result remain same. Students, I hope these properties are clear and the method of multiplication is also clear to you all. If you love learning maths with me, keep watching and wait for my next video. Students, thank you. Good day. Keep learning, keep practicing.